So now that we have gotten the basic concept of whatever I've explained so far on statement of problem and aim and objectives. So then we have the section two, which entails the literature review. The literature, okay, before that, we have the definition of terms, we have the research questions, the significance of study. The significance of study is well stated in section 1.5. The scope of this study is actually well stated in section 1.6. Section 1.6. And considering the definition of terms, we need to understand definitions, some term definition in under this analysis of matrix. The first one is triangular matrix, and the definition is well stated. The diagonal matrix also is well stated. We also have the trace of matrix. The definition is well stated. The determinant of matrix is also well defined. In invertible matrix, the eigen decomposition, diagonalizable matrix, the symmetric matrix, and the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. All these definitions are well presented in section 1.7 as it is clearly seen on page 5. So the next thing, okay, we also have the linear transformation, the sparse matrix, the non-Hermitian matrix, and the generalization for the main principles and theories of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So now that I've been able to give an overview to section one, now let's move straight to section two. Section two is actually based on literature review. Literature review. This particular section it actually gives us an insight of different researchers and scientists that have actually partake or that has actually contributed in this same in a similar topic to this in this study. Like, take for instance, we have Otto Cayley. In his work, he published a research work on geometric transformation using matrices that were not rotated version of the coefficient being investigated as had previously been done. And we also have a lot of scientists. We have the Cuthbert Edmund Cullius, who I think he was the first to use modern bracket notation for matrix in the year 1913. And we also have a lot of researchers, and will I say a lot of scientists. The Leonard Euler is also there. We have a lot of scientists. So this literature review actually gives a very good insight about the researchers and the scientists that actually work on this same study, in this same topic. And I think their work are well proposed are well presented in the reference page. So I think that's all on this chapter 2. Now let's go straight to the theoretical framework. Theoretical framework simply entails the important definitions we need to take note that will be useful for us in the method of study, and as that when it's time for project. Definition 2.1 is well stated. Definition 2.2 is also well stated. We also have like four other theorems, which is theorem 2.1, theorem 2.2. Theorem 2.2 is titled the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. We also have the theorem 2.3, which is the polynomial, which is being acted, a polynomial acted upon matrix. So the proof to this Cayley-Hamilton theorem will be the proof to this particular theorem here will be well presented when it's time for project. But as for the sake of this seminar work, we were able to present the proof for theorem 2.3 and also that of theorem 2.4. Okay, definition 2.3 and also that of theorem 2.6. And it is clearly seen on section 3. On section 3, we have the proof of relevant theorem to validate methods.